Okay, today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this in Canva, and basically how to make a photo collage with soft edges in Canva. So there are several different ways. Before I show you this exactly, there are several different ways in how you can soften the edges. One way is to simply make the edges round. That makes it look very nice. And let's say we have a couple of different photos that we have. I have this one here and make this also rounded. It already looks very, very nice, right? It looks much more like a collage, not just photos that are put together on a sheet of paper. Then what else we can do, I would arrange the photos first, and then you can see so I would probably take away a little bit of that. Make this also a little smaller, put it in the background, right? We make it also round if you want to. And something we can also do is, let's say with this one, we can edit this photo and use the blur function in Canva. We can use this to create a full blur with it, and then we use that same photo, edit it, and go to blur again and remove the blur. And now when we make this a little smaller, we have basically a blurry edge. We can make these roundings even a little bit more. It has a nice, interesting effect, a little bit like a lens that you look into. Now, what else we can do is we can use another photo. Let's say we use this one and go back to edit again and go also again to blur. And now we use the brush tool to adjust the blur that we want here. So let's say we want to have like a nice little blur around this. Right, so this looks nice. We can go even a little further out here, for example. And now we go back to our design. And you can see here that we already see this blur. Now we adjust the size of the photo to the blur. Very small now, just like this. Now we have a blur, and this makes it really nice and soft. A little bit the same effect like this. Can put this here. And these are now 3 ways you can make the edges softer in your photo collage. And how we achieve that like very soft, dreamy vibe here, I show you. This is something that you basically just you have to have Canva Pro for this, because otherwise these shapes are not available. These are basically graphics, and you can put in white blur. And here you can see all the graphics that are basically white blurs. And what I'm looking for when I do this is something with a very sharp edge. Maybe this one, we can try this one. Let's see what it does. This is not as a sharp edge as I would want, but we can try to use it. And as you can see, this way it gets dreamy and get blurred as well. Now we copy that. Now we have the right length, and we just switch around to 180 degrees and put the same thing here. And now it blends into the white page nicely. What's happening? I'm going to make it a little wider. As I said, this is not as much edge as I would want. As you can see, now it shifts around here. Let's try something else, because back up here it's already quite white, so it's easier to use that here. Let's use this one here, and this has to be a little smaller. And so this is now it looks like this doesn't work. Let's try this one. This looks exactly what I would need. You can use like things like this horizontal line here from the ocean to cut it off. And now it looks really nice and blurry and has this soft feeling around it. And this is the same thing that I did here. Let's get these out of the way, ungroup these, and I basically have all these elements here. These are all the same element, and I use that. So let's see if what I used before that. This one here, probably, huh? Yeah, probably. Yeah, it looks like that. You can see if I put this here. Oh no, it's the same thing I used before. Maybe this one. Yeah. So now it's basically, it looks like it has no start and no end, this photo. So this is a way to create a photo collage with soft edges in Canva, like 4 different ways.